If you've forgotten your ProtonMail password or need to reset it, follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the ProtonMail login page. Visit the official ProtonMail website and navigate to the login section where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to start the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your ProtonMail account. This is necessary for ProtonMail to identify your account and send you further instructions. Step 4. Check your recovery options. You will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to proceed with the password reset. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset page, enter a new password that meets the security requirements. Confirm the new password and save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your ProtonMail account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ProtonMail support for further assistance.